Kalea Automatic Kitchen Composter. The Kalea Automatic Kitchen Composter is a smart and practical way to turn your everyday food scraps into something useful. Instead of throwing away fruit peels, vegetable ends, coffee grounds, or leftovers, you can place them in Kalea, and within hours, it transforms them into fresh, natural compost. This compost is full of nutrients and perfect for gardens, houseplants, or even lawns, helping them grow stronger without the need for chemicals. Kalea is designed with modern homes in mind. It's compact, stylish, and quiet, so it fits easily into any kitchen without taking up too much space or making noise. The machine uses a strong shredding and drying system, along with smart sensors to speed up the process, making it fast and easy for anyone to use. With just one button, you can turn waste into something valuable while reducing your household's environmental impact. Cleaning and maintaining it is simple, so it's convenient for daily use. By using Kalea, you're not only keeping your kitchen cleaner, but also helping the planet by cutting down on waste. It's a modern solution for eco-friendly living that makes sustainability simple and rewarding. Multi-Pick Chronos. The Multi-Pick Chronos is a professional electric lockpick designed to make opening jammed or locked doors easier and faster. If you've ever lost your keys or struggled with a stubborn lock, this tool can be a real lifesaver. It's one of the manufacturer's most popular models, thanks to its powerful 2900 mAh battery that provides up to 2 hours of continuous use. Despite its strength, the Chronos is compact and lightweight, weighing only about 12 ounces, so it easily fits in your pocket or toolkit. The device also comes with extra needles, which are perfect for practice and improving your lockpicking skills. The makers highlight that this is a professional-grade tool, and its full potential shines with training and patience. While it can handle many sturdy metal locks, cheap plastic ones don't truly test its capabilities. Nemoto Trio. The Nemoto Trio is a smart and convenient wireless charger designed to make keeping your devices powered up simple and effortless. It can charge 3 devices at the same time, which is perfect if you have a smartphone, earbuds, and a smartwatch. Instead of dealing with multiple cables and outlets, you can place all your devices on one sleek, compact charger and keep your space neat and organized. With fast charging technology, the Nemoto Trio ensures your devices get powered quickly and efficiently. Safety is a priority too. Built-in protections prevent overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, giving you peace of mind while your gadgets charge. The non-slip surface keeps your devices steady so they won't slide or move while charging. Shiftall Mutalk. The Shiftall Mutalk is a unique soundproof Bluetooth microphone that gives you privacy and clear voice quality wherever you are. Made by Shiftall, a Sony subsidiary, it's designed to block out background noise and keep your conversations discreet. This makes it ideal for busy offices, crowded public places, or even at home when you don't want others to overhear. The Mutalk works with a mix of soundproofing materials and noise-canceling technology. The special padding blocks outside noise, while the built-in microphone cancels any extra sounds, ensuring only your voice is picked up clearly. The result is a sharp, focused sound that feels professional and private. It's especially useful for phone calls, video meetings, gaming, or virtual reality experiences where keeping your voice contained is important. Smash Circle Lifestyle. The Smash Circle Lifestyle is built around the idea of making city travel simple, stylish, and stress-free. At the center of it is the Smash Circle S1, a foldable electric bike that's compact enough to carry in a backpack, yet powerful enough to handle everyday commuting. Made with lightweight carbon fiber, it folds in just a few seconds, so you can take it into an office, store it under a desk, or carry it on public transport without any hassle. Its rechargeable battery lets you travel up to 12 miles on a single charge and reach speeds of around 15 miles per hour, making it perfect for quick trips, errands, or daily commutes. The Smash Circle lifestyle isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about living smarter and greener. With its eco-friendly electric design, it helps reduce your carbon footprint while giving you the freedom to move around the city with ease. Smith's Two-Step Knife Sharpener. The Smith's Two-Step Knife Sharpener is a handy and easy-to-use tool designed to keep your kitchen knives sharp and ready for any cooking task. It features 2 steps. The coarse slot quickly restores dull blades, while the fine slot polishes and hones them for a smooth, precise edge. This 2-step process ensures your knives cut efficiently and safely every time. Compact and lightweight, the sharpener is easy to store on your countertop or in a kitchen drawer. Its non-slip base provides stability during use, making sharpening safer and more comfortable. It works with most standard knives, including straight and serrated edges, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Using the Smith's Two-Step Knife Sharpener is simple. SWNN High Power Blue Pointer. The SWNN High Power Blue Pointer is a powerful gadget that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, reminding many of lightsabers from the battle between Jedi and Sith. But unlike a toy, this laser means serious business. It's strong enough to burn through a folded yoga mat or even a piece of clothing, which is why it must always be used carefully. The laser has an impressive range of 5 to 6 miles, making it perfect for outdoor uses, such as hiking, hunting, or signaling over long distances. Some also find it useful for stage lighting or as an emergency signal. One of its standout features is the ability to adjust the beam thickness and switch between different modes, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. Because of its high power, safety should always come first. Protective goggles are strongly recommended, and children should never be allowed near it. While it's an exciting tool with a dramatic effect, it's important to use it responsibly and never point it at people, vehicles, or aircraft. When handled with caution, the SWNN High Power Blue Pointer is a striking and versatile gadget that combines power, range, and precision. The March for 7th Exoskeleton. The March for 7th exoskeleton is an impressive step forward in technology designed to help people with mobility issues live more independently. Back in the 1960s, General Electric and the U.S. Army created one of the first exoskeletons, called Hardyman. But it weighed nearly 1,500 pounds and was a complete failure. Fast forward to today, and exoskeletons have evolved into practical, life-changing devices. The Dutch team behind Project March has been working for years on improving this technology, and the March 7th, unveiled on March 11, 2022, is their 7th and most advanced version. This exoskeleton is built to support people with musculoskeletal disorders, which affect about 1.7 billion people worldwide, according to the World Health Organization. The March 7 is full of smart features that make it both practical and user-friendly. It's splash and water-resistant, so it can be used even in bad weather. Unlike many devices, it can be worn with regular shoes for comfort and convenience. It also includes smartphone controls for easier operation and state-of-the-art computer vision that scans the environment to find safe routes. With its modern design and advanced tech, the March 7 is transforming futuristic ideas into real solutions for everyday life. TNTOR Power Bank. The TNTOR Power Bank is a powerful and portable charger designed to keep your devices running wherever you are. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a bag, pocket, or backpack, perfect for travel, work, or everyday use. Despite its small size, it delivers strong and reliable power to charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices quickly. With multiple output ports, the TNTOR Power Bank lets you charge more than one device at a time, saving you time and hassle. Its fast charging technology ensures your gadgets get power efficiently, while built-in safety features protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This makes it a safe and dependable companion for all your charging needs. The sleek and durable design adds style while standing up to daily use. Tough-built knee pads. Tough-built knee pads are built for people who spend hours working on tough surfaces and need strong protection without sacrificing comfort. They use a smart mix of gel and foam that cushions the knees, spreads out pressure, and reduces strain during long periods of kneeling. The gel also helps absorb vibrations, which is especially useful for repetitive jobs like flooring, tiling, or construction work. These knee pads are designed with a wide base that keeps them steady, so they won't tip over when you move. High side walls add another layer of protection by preventing the knees from twisting or slipping out of place, keeping you safe and secure while working. The adjustable straps make it easy to get a snug and comfortable fit, so you can wear them all day without discomfort. Tough-built knee pads are tough, practical, and reliable, making them perfect for demanding environments. Priced at around $70, they're a smart investment for professionals who want to protect their knees and improve work performance. Instead of worrying about pain or pressure, you can focus fully on your job, knowing these pads are built to keep you supported every step of the way. Unistellar Envision. The Unistellar Envision is a smart and easy-to-use telescope that brings the wonders of the night sky right to your backyard. Designed for both beginners and experienced stargazers, it combines advanced optics with digital technology to make exploring stars, planets, galaxies, and nebulae simple and fun. With its smart tracking system, the Envision automatically locates celestial objects and keeps them in view, so you don't have to constantly adjust it. It also connects to your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to capture amazing images, record your observations, and easily share your discoveries with friends or online communities. The telescope's compact and durable design makes setup quick and easy, whether you're using it at home, in a park, or on a trip. Its high-quality optics ensure clear and detailed views, giving you an incredible stargazing experience without complicated equipment. Perfect for learning, exploring, or just enjoying the beauty of space, the Unistellar Envision makes astronomy exciting and accessible. It's an ideal tool for anyone curious about the universe, offering a hands-on way to see planets, stars, and galaxies up close. With the Envision, discovering the night sky becomes simple, engaging, and unforgettable. Zero-body dry float. The zero-body dry float is a groundbreaking wellness system that gives you all the benefits of float therapy without ever touching the water. Inside its capsule-shaped chamber are 400 liters of warm water and 200 kilograms of Epsom salt, heated to around 35 to 36 degrees Celsius, the same temperature as your body. This creates a natural floating effect, allowing you to feel completely weightless while staying dry. The enclosed design shuts out light and sound, creating a peaceful sensory deprivation environment that instantly relaxes the body and mind. This unique therapy not only reduces stress, but also promotes better sleep, lowers anxiety, and improves focus. Many people also find it boosts creativity and helps with emotional balance. On the physical side, floating supports pain relief, speeds up muscle recovery, and enhances athletic performance, making it useful for both everyday wellness and sports training.